What's up, guys? Wanted to make a quick video to let everybody know that building inspectors aren't always right. This is a rebuild on a garage that burned. Yes, that is a giant chunk of concrete they poured to build a wall on. This is the completely out of level rear wall. Let me show you this. This is where the ground had to be dug away to get the garage in. Here's where the short wall, let me step back. Here's where the short wall is built. You don't have any clearance. Framing's basically underground here. It's all buried over here. Couldn't even get the pans of siding all the way down. Had to bend metal. But this was given the A-OK by the inspector. So I just want to point out, building inspectors aren't the end-all, be-all. The back wall is 2.5 inches out of level on this existing slab, which isn't in too bad of shape, but it's crazy. I mean, look, that's all cracked there. I just got done siding it. At least it did put treated lumber, treated CDX on the bottom to try to assuage some of the rot that will probably happen. And this is a disastrous property. Ooh, almost fell down. But that is it. I just wanted to say that, you know, people say, well, the building inspector, yeah, well, that doesn't mean anything sometimes, because they let stuff go that should not be let go, which reminds me of a story. I will have to make a video and tell you guys. So that's my 2 cents. You guys have a good day. Later.